Well, all right, y'all. What's good? What's good? What's shaking? What's up with y'all, man? How's everybody doing today? This week, I think we done did a very good thing. We've done something very good. I think we did something that you're going to appreciate. We may have lobbed it and knocked it out the park. Because I see it's going somewhere with this one. What y'all think it is, man? You might be right. You might be wrong. Pause the video. Stop it right now. Stop it. You don't need to see no more. Put it in the comments what you think it is right now.
3 days later.
What? 2000.
Just a little fire, right? Just a little bit. Because, see, my thing has always been I've got different ideas of how I feel the car should have come stock. Now, I'm not making no super big, flush, Instagram famous cars. I don't do that. I build really nice, look like they should have came like that, very functional, very efficient vehicles. And that's exactly what this is. Yeah. That right there is exactly how I've always seen RX8s in my book. And then you see how we did the second one, Series 2. You already knew. Yeah, that's the way I was always seeing the cars, as race cars. Because this Series 1 is actually going to be a race car, it had to dead on, and I mean dead on, be just like the race car. So, y'all know what the next move is, right? The next move is a track day. Yeah. Now let's put it to the full test. We tested in the back roads. We made it look how we needed it to look. Now, let's do some lap times, baby. That's what's going to be on the next vlog. See this RX8 in, all right? So, man, appreciate y'all. Give you 2, and we gone.